You want to go in? Go in. Go in. What's up, chicken? Yeah. Okay, get in the box. I'm going to close the box. Hurry, get in. I'm going to close it. We're going to ship you. We're going to ship you there. Look, move your tail. Get your tail in there. Come on, get it in there. What about your tail? We're going to cut it off or something? Let's put it in there. Okay, there you go. Okay, we're shipping him off. There he goes. Okay, he landed. Hey, what's in this box? Oh my God, it's a cat! Ah! Really? Yes, it's a cat. Oh my God, it's a cat! Close it. He might get away. Where is he? Smokey! Smokey! Come get me. Watch this. Ah! Let's get a close-up of this monster here. Oh my God, he's attacking my hand. I can't get away. Oh! He's gonna bite me. Ah! Okay, gotta go.